Autophagy. What is it and why should we care? Find out in this quick guide. Autophagy is the body's way of recycling and cleaning out damaged cells in order to regenerate newer, healthier cells. It is an evolutionary self-preservation mechanism through which the body removes old, dysfunctional cells that are no longer required or working at optimum, and recycles what it can reuse. It is a survival adaptation that can be triggered as a response to various stresses on the system and toxin accumulation within cells. Auto means self and phagy means to eat, so the literal meaning of autophagy is self-eating. This is an entirely natural process that helps us to turn the clock back and create younger cells, which in return can have many anti-aging benefits. This can be contrasted with apoptosis, where the whole cell is killed off, which we will look at in the future. With autophagy, instead of killing off the whole cell, old cell membranes, organelles and other cellular debris can be removed. This is done by sending it to the lysosome, which is a specialised organelle containing enzymes to degrade proteins. One of the key regulators of autophagy is the kinase called mammalian target of rapamycin, or mTOR. When mTOR is activated, it suppresses autophagy, and when dormant, it promotes it. This again will be looked at in more depth in the future. Some of the primary benefits are removing toxic proteins from cells, such as which cause Parkinson's and Alzheimer's disease, recycling residual proteins, providing energy and building blocks for cells that could still benefit from repair, prompting regeneration for healthy cells, and it may also help with cancer prevention. How to trigger autophagy: nutrient deprivation and fasting, and exercise. Although it is a natural process that happens continually, it is something we can increase through our lifestyle. The easiest ways are through lifestyle interventions such as fasting and ketogenic diets, both of which will be looked at in depth in a future episode. And also by including exercise within your regime. As this study showed, it may increase autophagy in muscles, liver, pancreas and adipose tissue. But balance is everything. Too much autophagy can also make you sick, so keep to a natural cycle of feast and fast, not constant dieting. We get cell growth when feasting and cellular cleansing when fasting. However, if you are taking any medications, are pregnant, breastfeeding, or wish to become pregnant, or have a chronic condition or illness such as heart disease or diabetes, then please consult a doctor before you make any major lifestyle changes.